Hi there, this is Marissa Loren from DigitalScrapbook.com, and today I have a video for you of decorating a pocket page layout here on my iPad. I am using Photoshop on the iPad, which I think comes with your Photoshop subscription. So if you already have a subscription through Adobe, you should have access, I think, to this app here on the iPad. And I am using a kit here from DigitalScrapbook.com. This one is by Jessica. It's like Provincial Seaside. I don't know if that's French. I don't speak French, guys. So I'm just going ahead here and I'm sticking in the papers in the background. So I'm just bringing in one paper at a time here and I'm clipping it to the background area. And it's really easy in the app here in Photoshop on the iPad to clip things. There's just a button here on the side that you can hit, which is nice and convenient. So it's an easy and relaxing thing to do. So ahead of time, I had already set up my photos in this template, which I had done on my computer, and then it just syncs over onto my iPad if you put it up in the Adobe has a cloud that you can use. And so it makes it nice and convenient. And then once I'm done with it here, I will finish it up on my computer again, adding in shadows and just saving it and keeping track of it in my archives. So I'm still going through adding in papers here. And then once I get the papers placed, I will start putting elements on top. So I hope you enjoyed this video and continue to enjoy it. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day.